Happy holidays from Criminal Class! No nail art today, but we are announcing the winners to the Minute Kit Nails giveaway. So let's get into it. Bro, they're not here to see you. Back up. Alright, so if you didn't get the chance to enter this giveaway, we are actually getting ready to show a sneak peek of our next giveaway, which is coming tomorrow or the next day. So make sure that you stay tuned. And for this giveaway, our winner is the Marky Mark. So congratulations. And I already got a hold of her. We already talked. She's already going to be getting her stuff. So everybody please congratulate her. And then a look at our new stuff. So we're actually going to be doing a giveaway on our Drippy Dip kits. So make sure that you guys stay tuned so you can get in on this giveaway. Alright? And then make sure that you guys follow the rules because a lot of people did not follow the rules in the last giveaway. Just saying. So make sure that you go ahead and follow all the rules. Watch the video. Make sure you don't mess it up. Okay? Alright, love you guys. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Bye.